Do you want to learn how to generate ebooks in seconds? Now, this video, as always, will be value stacked, and it's going to be for those agencies or coaches or consultants or any of those solopreneurs who want to leverage ebooks or lead magnets or free resources. This automation I'm going to show you will allow you to create these ebooks. And they may be a bit generic, but you can always go in and add to them. But you will be able to create entire ebooks in seconds. And you can have 10, 20 lead magnets running at the same time to capture leads. It's amazing. So let's jump right into this, guys. Let me show you this automation I built. How to do it. You can do it completely for free using tools like Zapier, ChatGPT. Let's just jump into it and let me show you exactly how I have done it. Okay, so as always with all of my videos, I want to quickly do a high-level overview of the process, what it looks like, what exactly is happening. So with this process, we're going to generate entire ebooks in seconds using AI. And how it works is we're going to ask ChatGPT to essentially give us the title of this book that we're going to make. And then from the title, we'll tell it to generate or create chapter titles for that book. We're going to put these titles inside a spreadsheet. Then we're going to use a tool called Zapier to take those chapters from the spreadsheet, then tell ChatGPT to create content for each chapter, then run through that content to ensure the word count is good and the grammar is correct and the punctuation and all of that. And then it'll take that content and format it into HTML so that it can be automatically pasted into a Word document. And then from there you can go on with Grammarly or any other tool to just go through everything, to make sure the punctuation is good, the grammar is good. But this step can be skipped if you trust ChatGPT enough. But essentially, that is the process. Now let's jump into the step-by-step of how to get this done. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we're going to use ChatGPT to choose a title. The prompt I've used here is give me a list of 10 challenges in the whatever industry you're in. So in this use case, I have used the HVAC industry, all right, HVAC. I would like to write a book based on the HVAC industry. Give me a list of 10 challenges in the HVAC industry. I will choose one of these 10 to base my book on. But you can use this prompt over here and you'll see that ChatGPT will run you through and give you 10 different challenges. And essentially, your book will be based on just one of these challenges. So once you have chosen the challenge, in this case, I chose number 1, tell ChatGPT to create chapters from that title or from that challenge. So in this case, create whatever number of chapters for my book based on the title number. So this case was the first one, so number 1. I've told it to create 3 chapters for my book based on number 1, and it's gone ahead and done that. It's given me the chapter name, an overview of the chapter, and some key elements. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a CSV file. And in that CSV file, it's going to have a column with all the chapter names, a column with all the overview for that chapter, and a column with the key elements of that chapter. When you do that, it'll automatically generate the CSV file, and you can go ahead and download that file. All right, now let us move on to the next step, which is just quickly tweaking that CSV file. So first of all, when you do download that CSV file, it'll just be a normal Excel spreadsheet. You need to then upload it into Google Drive for it to become a Google Sheet. So this needs to be a Google Sheet for it to work. So this is the CSV file. So these are the 3 columns it came with: the chapter title, the overview, and the key elements. Now what you need to do is you need to create another column and call it trigger. And then you need to populate the trigger column with 0. All right. So if you watched my previous video where I showed you how to generate 1 year's worth of email follow-ups, it's the same system where we're going to use this trigger system to launch the automation essentially. So once you've created the column and filled it with zeros, we're going to then go ahead and create a new Google Doc. So just create any other Google Doc. I've just called it the same as the Excel sheet. All right. Now, once we have done all that, this is where it gets fun. Right now, we're going to use this tool, Zapier, to connect all these tools together, to make them all work together. And essentially, what we're going to do is we're going to tell Zapier to take the chapter titles, give it to ChatGPT, make ChatGPT create content based on those chapter titles. Then ChatGPT will give it back to Zapier, and then Zapier will go ahead and put it into the Word doc for us. And this will all happen in real time, all in one go for all the chapters. So it'll be seconds and you'll have an entire book ready. All right, so with that being said, let's now show you how I've broken down the entire Zap on Zapier. So the first thing I have done is we have the trigger, and the trigger is to a new or updated spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. And as you can see over here, we are trying to get the spreadsheet, so you need to connect it to the correct Google Sheets. And the trigger column you will use will be that trigger. So if I jump into this, it's going to be here. So this is the trigger column. I've also called it trigger. That's why this trigger used twice, but that's essentially what you're going to use, is that column. Then we're going to go to the next one, which is to create chapter. And over here, we're going to tell on the message, we're going to tell ChatGPT, I'm writing a book titled whatever you want it to be called. This is the chapter of it, and then you're going to link it to the chapter name on the sheets. And you're going to link the overview, and you're going to link the key elements, and you're going to tell ChatGPT to create content for this chapter. In this case, I've said 1,380 words, but it can be whatever amount of words you want. And you will give the assistant instructions, writing style suitable for an ebook, correct grammar and punctuation, and you'll have to create a conversation ID. I just used my own one. I created this at the time. It's just ebook convo. You can call it whatever you want. And then the response instructions here is set to continue writing. What happens is then ChatGPT will generate this, and then we're going to create the third automation, which is the word check. So in this case, we're telling ChatGPT to now look through the content it's created and keep writing until it's reached the word count we want it to reach. And once it's given the response to that, we'll make absolutely sure there's whatever words in this chapter. And again, you want to keep the same conversation ID so it can refer back to the previous convo that it made when it was up here, okay? This way we can have ChatGPT look at what it previously made and keep the information consistent. And then the fourth automation is the format text. So you wouldn't be able to just paste this into the Word document. It won't be formatted. So you need to convert whatever ChatGPT has created into HTML. Then you paste the HTML into Word, and then that will work and it'll format everything nicely on Word. So the message over here is to convert this chapter to HTML, and again, using the same conversation ID so it knows what you're referring to. And then the fifth one is to paste this HTML into the Word document. So you connect the Word document name and you paste the full response of ChatGPT, which will be in HTML. Okay, so that's essentially how the automation works. So how we would trigger the automation is now back into the the Google Sheet. You'll see that we have the trigger here. Now to launch this automation, essentially we want to turn the 0 into a 1, like an on and off switch, 0 and 1. So we'll turn the 0 into 1, and that launches the automation. And when you turn that into 1, within a minute or a few seconds to a minute, depending on how much content there is, the Word document will be filled with the content. So you turn that into 1, and as you can see, it should fill the Word document with content straight away. All right, so now let's jump in and actually show you a real-time example. So this was the first chapter that I've already done. I already initiated the automation by turning that into a 1. And if I jump into the Word document, you can see that it's over here, fully formatted, and everything's over here. So now what I'm going to do is, this works in two ways, and it completely depends on how you want to do it. You can either click one at a time, and it will create each chapter on Word one at a time. Or if you want to create everything in seconds, which is what I'm going to show you here, you just press 1 here, and then you drag and drop that. Now it's going to initiate the automation for all of these chapters. And if we jump here and scroll down, And if we give it a few seconds, then we will see the Word document actually update in real time. And boom, there we go. So it took maybe a minute or two, but it went through like 4 other chapters. But you can see that it has been added here. And if I scroll down, you'll see, oh, that's been chapter 3 added. So let's give the other chapters some time. It's going chapter by chapter. All right, chapter 4 is in. And if I scroll down, we got chapter 5. So you can see we have all the chapters in automatically. So it's very simple, guys. You just need to flip the switch on and it all generates. So you can scale this, right? You can do this for 10 chapters, 15 chapters, 50 chapters. It's all scalable. It's instant, very quick. It allows you to, create lead magnets quickly, get leads, and then once you get those leads, you can then watch my video where I show you how to create 1 year's worth of email follow-ups in a few seconds, and you nurture those leads, and hopefully you get some closes and increase your conversion rates. All right, guys, I hope you found that helpful. If you are a marketing agency or a business coach or consultant, you can hit me up and my team. We help agencies and coaches and consultants with back-end fulfillment, with Go High Level, ClickFunnels. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick one, a simple one. If you would like access to this Zap, just DM me on Instagram, and I'm happy to send you this, essentially this entire template that I built actually, and yeah, send that to you, no problem. I have nothing to hide. So thank you guys for watching, and that is exactly how you use AI to generate ebooks and lead magnets. Thank you.